Hello guys, well this is my trip, myself and Ajak trip, a backpack trip to Germany and Swiss. We start our journey from KLIA to to Singapore, transit in Singapore, and then continue the flight from Singapore to Schiphol. Alright, thank you. Then transit again in Schiphol before take the final flight from Schiphol to Berlin. It is a long journey. Takes us 24 hours from KLIA to Berlin. Thank you. Okay, kita dah kat luar. Kita nak naik bas. Ya, bas ni kita naik aja. 109 ni. Tu 109 tu. It's a chilly moment, chilly morning. It's about 6 degrees Celsius in Berlin when we arrive there. Banyak. Sejuk ya? Okay. From the airport, we just take a bus going to the city center. Going through the city center of Berlin. Dia makanan bagi sedekah lepas solat Jumaat. Tadi ada roti tapi lambat, ramai kan. We passed by this memorial of murdered Jews in Europe from the bus stop when we are on the way to the Brandenburg Gate. This is the Brandenburg Gate. Karius. Angin. The East Side Gallery is the remaining of the Berlin Wall dedicated for the street art. You see all the artists painting this remaining of the Berlin Wall. I am baby Metalhead. Well, the next day we went to Stuttgart, using the Flick bus. For me, it's a reliable bus service. Lembab. Ini hari Minggu. Semua tidur lagi sini. Tak kerja. Okay, sekarang kita di Stuttgart. After one full day In Stuttgart, we take a night train to Interlaken, so we have to transit to one station actually. Well, this is Interlaken and Lauterbrunnen, the valley of many rivers. Kita jumpa dua orang awet Malaysia dekat Lauterbrunnen ni. Okey lah. Shopping time. Nak beli apa? Okey. Beli kepik kuku pun boleh juga.
On the
Okay,
day.
maybe we can change because
Yes, I can change, no problem.
Okay. Alright. So cut 3.
This is a Swiss made, huh?
Swiss made.
Yes.
Of course.
Of course.
If not the Swiss made, then I don't want.
No, this is Swiss made. This
Okay. Hari ni kita dapat kita punya orang yang Malaysia yang nak ke Zurich. So this is them, Fiza and Hulda. Hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Ni.
Okay, kita akan start driving daripada Interlaken ke Zurich. Itu Farah pula, Fiza and Hulda belakang. Okay, kita jalan dulu. Nanti ajak pegang The scenery is awesome from this Interlaken Lauterbrunnen to Zurich. It's awesome, man. Lake Zurich. Lake Zurich in the middle of Swiss chocolate. Anyone want to taste it? It's awesome. Alright, time to go back. From Zurich we take a flight to Berlin. We rest for a while in Berlin, and then after that another flight from Berlin to Schiphol, Amsterdam, and transit in Amsterdam for quite a while. I can't remember exactly. Then from Schiphol we went back directly to KLIA. This is Schiphol Airport. Nice weather, tak sejuk, tak panas. I am Amsterdam. 9 9 so kalau 9 so 12 jam kita naik